आप सभी दर्शक
seconds.
प्रमोशन का आनंद लीजिए।
Minus 30 seconds.
Real time programs activated.
Minus 25 seconds.
PS2 VSPP open.
The special camera is focusing intently on the launch vehicle and the range operations director
Minus 15
looking very
seconds.
intently at his monitor. 15 seconds, 12, 11
10.
and 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ignition.
Plus 5 seconds.
You have just launched a majestic liftoff of PSLV C-49 carrying EOS-01 with 9 co-passenger satellites, and the range operations director has confirmed the liftoff and that the performance of PS-1 is normal.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा प्रमोशन यान का लिफ्ट ऑफ बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से बढ़ता हुआ और ये गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में।
That is PS-1. Its total thrust is 4,800 kilonewtons. It uses solid propellant, HTPB based solid propellant, and alongside there are 2 strap-on boosters.
Plus
हम
1
यहाँ
minute.
स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं और अपने अवलोकित पथ पर
The altitude and the
Upon separated.
अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर का घोषणा है यहाँ कि
Stage performance
स्ट्रैप ऑन
normal.
सेपरेट हो चुका है।
P2 change over to SABT2.
now you can see the flight events on your screen. The PS-1 has been flowing normally and its performance is normal. The total burn time is about 108 seconds, and then it will be separated from the ongoing vehicle.
Stage separated. Second stage engine started.
अभी
Now you
Close
have
loop guidance initiated.
Plus 2 minutes.
आरओडी का अभी घोषणा हुई है और उन्होंने बताया फर्स्ट स्टेज सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ यान से पृथक हो चुका है और दूसरे चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है।
Second stage performance normal.
now that the first stage action time is complete, it has been separated from the ongoing vehicle, and we have seen the confirmation from the range operations director that it has been separated, and you can see on your screens the flight regime of PS-2.
Payload bed separated.
And the payload fairing has been separated, and as you have already heard, the closed loop guidance has been initiated.
Second stage performance normal.
अभी आरओडी ने फिर से घोषणा की है कि ऊष्मा कवच का पृथकीकरण हो चुका है। अब हमारा यान वायुमंडल से बाहर जा चुका है।
The PS-2 takes the launch vehicle up to 225 kilometers altitude and increases its relative velocity from 1.6 kilometers per second to 4.3 kilometers per second. Here you can see the time versus relative velocity plot and the flight events.
अभी आप एनिमेशन पे देख पा रहे हैं PS-2 का सामान्य निष्पादन। PS-2 का प्रज्वलन सामान्य होता हुआ अब प्रमोशन यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत है।
Now it is about 4 minutes after the launch, and the PSLV stage 2 is performing, and its performance is observed to be normal. It will continue to perform till 261 seconds, which amounts to 4 minutes 21 seconds.
अगली घटना PS3 का
stage ignited.
ROD ने अभी अभी घोषणा की PS2 का सफलतापूर्वक कृतिकीकरण और PS3 का इग्निशन हो चुका है.
Stage performance normal.
You have just heard the range operations director giving a confirmation that the PS2 stage has been separated, the PS3 stage has been ignited and its performance is normal.
PS3 का
Third
क्रियाकाल
stage performance normal.
PS3 का क्रियाकाल करीब 123 सेकंड का होगा. इस तरह यह अपना पूर्ण ज्वलन काल T + 385 सेकंड्स पर पूर्ण करेगा. इसके बाद यह बंद होकर PS3, PS4 और सैटेलाइट एक यूनिट बनकर आगे की यात्रा करेंगे. इसे हम कोस्टिंग फेज कहते हैं.
The PS3 will burn for 123 seconds. It imparts 295 seconds of specific impulse. This stage is based on HTPB based propellant in Kevlar motor case. The motor will provide thrust of 33.5 tons to the ongoing launch vehicle. Now we are 5 minutes 55 seconds after the launch time. The PS3 will burn till 6 minutes 25 seconds.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं हम प्रमोचन से 366 सेकंड की दूरी पर सापेक्षिक वेग करीब 6.9 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड का हो चुका है. पृथ्वी से ऊंचाई करीबन 325 किलोमीटर के करीब है.
Third stage action completed.
It is confirmed that the
Hosting base.
PS3 operation is now completed. The PS3 will not burn anymore but will continue to coast along with the PS4 and the passenger satellites. It will be jettisoned in another 145 seconds.
जी हाँ, PS3 का कोस्टिंग फेज शुरू हो चुका है. यह करीब 145 सेकंड तक का होगा जिसमें कि पूर्व प्राप्त वेग के साथ प्रमोचन यान अपनी ऊंचाई प्राप्त करेगा.
During the coasting phase, the altitude addition
Performance is normal.
is about 160 kilometers addition, while the relative velocity reduces from 7 to 6.9 kilometers per second. These are the flight parameters, time versus initial velocity, relative velocity plots. The tracking of the ongoing launch vehicle is carried out by ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network, a host of ground stations in the flight path of the mission. Participating track centers are Sriharikota, Thiruvananthapuram, Port Blair and Yattaraga in Australia.
Vehicle performance
All
is normal.
stations ensure sufficient time overlap so that there will not be any miss in looking to the telemetry data.
जी हाँ, इस दौरान हमारे ग्राउंड स्टेशंस टेलीमेट्री के द्वारा यान की सभी पैरामीटर्स प्राप्त करवाते रहते हैं. इसमें 5 टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस इस बार भाग ले रहे हैं. इन सभी टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस में पर्याप्त समय का ओवरलैप रहता है ताकि यह इंश्योर किया जा सके कि कोई भी डेटा लॉस नहीं हो रहा है. अगला इवेंट PS3 सेपरेशन और PS4 इग्निशन का होगा.
We are eagerly waiting for the separation of PS3.
Third stage separated.
Yeah, now the confirmation has come that the PS3 has been separated and PS4 is due to ignite in another about 10
Four
seconds.
engine started.
The PS4 ignition also has been confirmed. The PS4 is powered by
Fourth
two
stage
pump-fed
performance
engines
normal.
burning monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. 316 seconds of burn duration of PS4 develop the required orbital conditions for the payloads and injects the primary satellites followed by the co-passenger satellites in the predetermined orbit in sequence.
अभी आप देख रहे हैं ग्राफ में रेंज और एल्टीट्यूड और ग्राउंड ट्रेस दिखाया जा रहा है। यान अपनी पूर्वानुमानित और अवलोकित पथ को फॉलो करता हुआ
परफॉर्मेंस नॉर्मल।
आरओडी का अभी अभी अनाउंसमेंट आया है। चतुर्थ चरण सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ। चतुर्थ चरण एमएमएच और मॉन ईंधन का प्रयोग कर 0.76 टन के 2 इंजनों का निष्पादन करता है और इससे PS4 के बाद 7.16 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड की वेग प्राप्त कर ली जाती है। PS4 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और हमारे उपग्रहों को उसके उद्दिष्ट कक्ष तक ले जाने में सहायक साबित होता हुआ।
During the PS4 operation, let me just tell you that the PSLV is the workhorse of ISRO and it has rightfully earned this credit owing to the versatility and adaptability. Let me enumerate a few noteworthy PSLV missions. In the PSLV C-44 mission, the immediate predecessor in a similar launch vehicle configuration, that is PSLV-DL, with 2 strap-ons, was the first time ISRO used the last stage of the rocket as platform to perform experiments in space. The record for largest number of satellites ever launched by a rocket is achieved by PSLV C-37 mission. It had launched 104 satellites. The PS4 restart was experimentally demonstrated in C-29 mission
performance normal
and functionally executed in the C-34 mission.
1 minute.
PSLV is known for the prestigious interplanetary missions, the Mangalyaan or the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-01 in 2008, and you can see on your screen Shri P. Kunyikrishnan, Director, UR Rao Satellite Center.
PS4 अपने सामान्य निष्पादन देता हुआ अब अगली घटना हमारे मुख्य उपग्रह EOS-1 के सेपरेशन की है, जिसका हम सभी को इंतजार है। यह घटना करीबन T+919.2 सेकंड्स पर होगी। अभी हम 786 सेकंड्स दूर आ चुके हैं प्रमोचन से। सापेक्षिक गति 7.02 की पहुंच चुकी है।
fourth stage performance normal
There is a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the PS4 operation is normal. And as I was telling you about the versatility of PSLV, PSLV has been the trusted vehicle for the launch of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite Constellation, NAVIC. So far, 50 PSLV missions are complete and this is the 51st mission. 37 from the first launch pad and 13 from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota. The present launch is the 51st mission of PSLV and the 38th from the first launch pad. It is 13 minutes 51 seconds after the launch and we are waiting for the PSLV stage 4 burn completion.
Plus 14 minutes.
आप ग्राफ देखते हुए अब हम बहुत ही करीब हैं अपने सैटेलाइट सेपरेशन से।
stage engine shut off
PS4 को बंद कर दिया गया है। यह सब ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से किया जाता है। अब उपभू दूरी 575 किलोमीटर की प्राप्त कर ली गई है। अभी अभी आरओडी ने अनाउंस किया कि कक्षा के अनुकूल स्थितियां प्राप्त की गई हैं और अब किसी भी समय उपग्रह PS4 से पृथक होकर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित होगा।
On your screens, you are able to watch the flight parameters along with the ground trace. The next flight event is the primary satellite separation.
QoS-01 satellite separated.
Now the jubilant moment on your screens.
अभी आप ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से ऑनबोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं कि EOS-1 का पृथकीकरण सफलतापूर्वक कर लिया गया है।
The EOS-1, the primary satellite of PSLV C-49 mission, has been injected into the orbit, its intended orbit, and the visuals you are getting from the onboard cameras live.
जी हाँ, ये पल सभी वैज्ञानिकों के लिए काफी उत्साहवर्धक।
That was the separation of the first satellite and 9 more customer satellites in line for the separation. And PS4 still in orbit, reorienting itself for the further injection events.
Not to NAV. Our local, we don't have any connection to NAV right now. So our local.
आप ये घटनाक्रम देख पा रहे हैं EOS-1 सेपरेशन। अब आरओडी ने अनाउंस कर दिया है R2 उपग्रह अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है, अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है।
The R2 satellite and the CLEOS-1 satellite, CLEOS-1A satellite have been separated. R2 is a technology demonstrator satellite from Lithuania, as we have told you earlier. The next flight event is the KSM-1B separation, which is going to take place any time now. These are the visuals from the onboard camera of the launch vehicle. The Mission Control Center, all the scientists are waiting eagerly for the next satellite separation.
ESM-1B satellite separated.
ESM-1B सैटेलाइट का सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपण किया गया।
Now, the second KSM satellite, that is the KSM-1B, has also been separated at its intended time into the intended orbit. The KSM satellites, 4 of them are taking a ride in this particular mission. They are from Luxembourg and these are meant for maritime applications.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर पृथ्वी का विहंगम दृश्य करीब 578 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई से देखते हुए
KSM-1D satellite separated.
The KSM-1D satellite also has been separated, as ROD has announced. Now you are watching on your screens a very beautiful and vivid visual of the Earth. Next we stand by for the KSM-1C also has been separated. So all the 4 satellites of the CLEOS space have been separated. Now the Lemur satellites, one by one, they will detach.
जी हाँ, KSM-1C को भी यान से पृथक कर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित कर दिया गया है। चारों KSM सैटेलाइट्स अपनी कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
More 2 satellites separate.
आरओडी का अभी अनाउंसमेंट, लेमोर 1 और लेमोर 2 अमेरिका के सैटेलाइट्स सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपित कर दिए गए हैं।
Three satellites separated.
जी हां, अब लेमूर 3 भी अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
The Lemur satellites are from Spire Global Inc., USA, whose purpose is multi-mission remote sensing. Now we wait eagerly for the last satellite separation of this mission, that is the Lemur 4, which can happen.
4 satellites separated.
Now
All
here
10
we have a
satellites are separated.
now we have
Then
here a
completed.
successful
Handing over
mission
to
with all the
director.
10 satellites separated and injected into into their intended orbit.
And all 9 customer satellites into the desired orbits. PSLV C-49 EOS-01 mission is fully accomplished.